Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are brand new. If you are, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Also, if you could give me a thumbs up, it really does help the algorithm to grow my channel. So today I have a brand new Dollar Tree haul with all things new. So many exciting finds, you guys. I cannot wait to share them with you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. I'm starting with the back to school items, and I found this pink, what do you call this? Storage container by Dot. And I love this really pretty, like, soft pink that everything's coming in. So I bought a lot of items with that. And as you can see, it's got all of this really great space in it. It's one of the larger ones for like a school caddy type thing. So there's that. And then I picked up one of these, what do you call them, portfolios, and that's in the pretty light pink as well. And it has the pockets on the inside, 3 pockets on the inside, so this is a really good pickup. Then I picked up 2 of the pink spiral bound notebooks, and I'm not sure how many sheets they have, and I'm trying to look here. We have 60 sheets. So I grabbed 2 of those. Same color, sticking with this whole color scheme. And I'll put it all together in my thumbnail so you can see it all together. I also found some pink index cards. And I'm hoping that you guys can see this okay. I'm not even sure if you can see it. Yeah, so there's those. And then this really pretty strawberry pen. And I'm sure you guys have seen that. There's this really cute pencil case that is in this pretty teal color, and it's got these peaches on the front. And it closes pretty good. I don't think anything's going to fall out of it. So that's really nice. And then I also grabbed, we have this one with the peaches, not peach. And this is one with a zipper, and you can use this as a pencil case, or you can use it for makeup brushes or anything like that. So as you can see, it's pretty good size. And I thought this one was much better than the smaller one they had. It felt sort of like a cheap plastic, so I don't think it would be necessarily a good idea. These are the little, what do you call these? They call them book bins. So I picked up 3 of these in the pink. And these are great for putting books in. They're good for putting files in. They're good for putting magazines in, if anybody still buys magazines, coloring books, yeah, anything. You can even use these in your pantry if you want. So I've got some of those. Oops. And then I also found these really cute pencil cases. It's got the princess, and then we've got Buzz Lightyear from Lightyear, the movie. So I also found these, what do you call them? Just little storage bins, and they come in these pastels. You get 3 of them. That's a great pickup. Anytime you get 3 things for $1.25, I think that would be wise pickup. Yep. So there's those. I'll put those here. And then I found a pink ruler, and this is one of those flexible ones. And the numbers are pretty large on it, so I do like that. And again, it's in that pretty pink color just to go along with that whole theme. Now, if you have a daughter, these are great for back to school. I'm using them in my office. And I also picked up this binder. It has the window where you can slip something in the front. I'm now wishing that I would have picked up more because I'm probably not going to find the pink ones again. So you can also, no, you can't. I thought maybe you could get something here, but I guess you can just do a label for that. I'm going to go ahead and include a couple more items in here that are office. Well, this isn't office, but I bought these Disney Princess stickers. I'm going to be using those for class. And it says you get 4 sticker rolls in here with 150 stickers total. So that would be a really good buy, I think. And then also picked up some of these big pens. They're just the black ones. And I'll use these at the studio as well. So those, I think $1.25 for 16, or not 16, sorry, 10 is a good buy, for sure. They're more than that at Staples. I grabbed this big Cover It tape, whiteout. And I always see this stuff and then I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna get that, I don't need it. And then for some reason, I actually end up needing it. These are travel stickers. They're so cute. And this is like really cool because I just had my recital, not this last Saturday, but the Saturday before. It was Passport to Dance, and this all kind of goes with that theme. So I really like that. I picked these up for to go with our theme, what we do with the unicorn theme. And it's just a banner, a felt banner, because I haven't seen this one before. It has rainbows and unicorns on it. It's really cute. Let me just show you that. I'm trying to film different today, you guys. And then we have this inflatable mylar unicorn. These things are really big too. They're like, I think it's like 22 inches, 20 inches. So it's still very big. And then this one is really cute. It is a banner as well, a letter banner. And it says, "We are mermaids." Oh no, I'm sorry. "We love mermaids." I don't know what I'm doing. So there's that. And it's really big. The letters are super big. I don't know how long this is. It says it is 6 feet. So that's a good size banner. And then just like a coloring book. I love this one. I feel like I have it, that I hauled it last year. But I love the pictures. And you guys, you could frame these and just leave them black and white. And they'd be gorgeous. And you know, black and white are really trending right now. And so there's lots of pictures in here you could definitely frame. I would pick up a frame maybe like at IKEA as opposed to Dollar Tree, because I feel like I don't have a lot of good luck with Dollar Tree frames, but there's just some really great pictures in there. And then these, I was shook when I saw these, and I know I've seen them before in there, but I actually opened them up, and they are the hand lettering books, Disney. We have the villains, and then we have Cinderella. So I am on the hunt for more of these. Please comment below, let me know if there are more, because I've only been able to find these two, but I just want to show you a couple of pictures in here. There's the lettering stuff, of course, but take a look at this. And they also are perforated so that you can evenly take them out without tearing them, and they would be beautiful for framing for a birthday party, a Halloween party, whatever you want to use them for. So we've got all the princesses. This is like the complete opposite of princesses. Villains. The meanies, you know, that we couldn't have a movie without. We have to have the evil versus good, or good versus evil. But here is Cruella. And yeah, these are just awesome. And then the Cinderella one's got these gorgeous pictures. They're very vintagey looking, very artistic. Not this one, but let me show you one more over here, because if you were having a princess party, I want to show you this one. Where'd it go? This one. I love this. It looks like a watercolor. so pretty. So that's all of those, you guys, and that's all of those things. Next on my list are toys, and you guys are gonna be completely amazed. These Imaginext cars. So these are brand name. We've got the police car. So cute. We have the little like sports car. And these also have little people in them that come out as well. So here's the blue sports car. They did have it in another color, but I didn't get that one. I was trying to share with my sister. And then the tow truck. These are so cute, you guys. Look at these. These are amazing pickups for the holidays. I needed two, so I have two fire trucks. Yes. There's a fire truck. Adorable. It's got the ladder on it. And then this is a Jeep. Yeah, a Jeep. And like I said, I think there are a few more, but these are the ones that I found. Are these the cutest? Are these fantastic for Christmas? Yes. Comment below, see if you're putting these on your wish list. This is, let me see if I can see that. Yep, there you go. Stuart. And these toys are just amazing. I did have to move into the bedroom because my lighting in the kitchen and living area was not all that great. But these are super cool. And then there's this one. It's called the Splatums. And this one is some type of like launcher. And then there's one more over here. It is also Stuart, and it says sticky hand, whatever that means. These are just, you guys probably remember seeing them in my walkthrough, but did want to just show them to you again and remind you to go and grab them. So there's also the little toot or tiny toot, and this retails for $7.98. I will pop that up on the screen here. This Palmolive dish spray, because it really does work great, you guys. I mean, just so good. So make sure you are keeping your eye out for this, because I don't know how long it's going to stay over at Dollar Tree. And I picked up some more of these Glade, no, sorry, not Glade. These are the Renews It Tahitian Breeze and Hawaiian Oasis, and they smell so good. So make sure you grab those. And then the last few items, I want to show you all of these socks I picked up. So I was able to find quite a few good ones of the Cosmo style. This one says Gold Digger. And these are such good pickups for gifts. Although I probably will keep a few of them myself. I love this Avocadoholic. These are really thick too, so I would say they'll be better for the winter time. Then this one says Fiesta, then Siesta. And this is Sock Art. This one here. Love those. And I found this one that says Aspiring Retiree. Thought that was really cute. Those are the Cosmo style. You know, like Cosmopolitan magazine. I didn't even know they had a product line. And then the last pair is, sorry, not the last pair. The Sock Art Gym and Tonic. Such a cute play on words. Pretty color. And these are the shorter socks, like Peds. And then these I'm going to give away. They say Mazel Tov for Hanukkah. Just thought those were cute. So these are all the socks. Let me just pull those all up together. We've got some real vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract, and this stuff can be really expensive, you guys. So I went ahead and grabbed this bottle. It is really small, but still for $1.25. I mean, it is what it is. It's only 0.13 milliliters or 0.44 fluid ounces, but still super amazing. And then I finally found them, you guys, the detangler brushes, and I grabbed 2 pink ones. And these things, let me see. Nice, I like it. So I don't know how good they are until I've used it with wet hair, but they had them in gray and I forgot the other color. But anyhow, I grabbed 2 pink ones. Those are super cool. And then a couple more brow products because I love this brow gel by Ioni. It's in a dark brown, a little bit dark for me, but it works so much better than all of the high-end ones that I spent so much money on. And I bought this pencil eyeliner in blue from them because I don't really like the LA Colors one. It doesn't work very well. And it's a liquid liner. This is an actual pencil. That's everything, you guys. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, stay positive, stay hopeful, and above all, stay kind, y'all. Bye.